Hello explorers, welcome back to another unboxing review video. This time is with the company Level 8. So I'm excited to kick off this packing series, and with our upcoming destination to pack for, it is Portland, just for a few nights. So let's get started. I'm very excited. Woo! So Level 8 provided me with any choice of their suitcases, and I was very excited for that. I eventually chose the Minimalist series, which is a hard shell luggage in the 20-inch size carry-on. Just because I realized that we don't check in things quite often, so I thought, carry-on size is a little bit more versatile for our minimalist family, especially for myself to carry important things in here. This is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I liked the color white. I was very attracted to it. I thought it was really beautiful, and I thought that it wouldn't get damaged quite as much, just because if it's carry-on, it'll be with me at all times, and it will be treated as well as I possibly can treat it while carrying it with me, rolling it with me, and putting it in the upper head compartment. And so I realized, you know what? I'm gonna go for a lighter color. Usually I wouldn't for luggage, but I decided to do that this time just because it's carry-on, it's gonna look great. I'm gonna try to preserve it as much as I can, and I've always wanted a lighter color luggage as well. So this is the beautiful white Luminous series luggage in the 20-inch. So as you can see, this is a really lovely size. Let me try to zoom. I love the way this rolls. It's really smooth, and this is rolling it on the carpet as well. It's very, very smooth. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, aluminum alloy trolley handle, high quality hard shell material. So I wanted to get a hard shell just in case if we go to international travels and we want to bring things back that are breakable, a little bit more fragile, then they're slightly more protected, especially if this is a carry-on and that I can carry it on board with me. So I make sure it's with me at all times. So that's really, really important. 360 spinner wheels. I've been loving these wheels so much better than all the other types of luggages that have the traditional just two sets of wheels. Then you have to angle it and carry part of the weight. A side handle right over here, which is really handy. Two types of handles, one at the top and one on the side, in case you want to carry it horizontally. On the other side of the handle, we have 4 little feet right over here, and they're pretty sturdy. So I love that in case you just want to lay it on its side like this, then it wouldn't get scratched up, especially because it's such a beautiful luggage and it's a beautiful color as well. So that's really convenient to have that to protect it. I also love this telescopic handle that has 4 different levels. That way you can easily adjust according to your height. Security lock right over here, where it has a TSA lock that they can open easier in case they need to check your suitcase, but you can also set your own code. So for now, let's pop that open. Oh my goodness, it's lovely. So what we have here is a 2-compartment style luggage. It's a little bit traditional for the hard-sided luggage, but I think that it provides a lot of spacious opportunities for storage. So we've got one side over here with the mesh compartment zipper, which provides good breathability, good airflow. So yeah, this is a really good liner. Nice. We can put our clothing in this side. They also integrated 2 little pockets right over here in case you want to store a toiletry bag or different essentials, perhaps a makeup bag. And there we have the other one. So this one's a little bit more concealed. As you can see, it's opaque versus the see-through mesh. I wanted to take a moment to focus on the wheels here. They're very swivelable, and they look like very good quality, sturdy wheels. This is what I'll be packing for the trip in Portland. It'll just be a 2-night, 3-day stay, and it's going to be about 58 to 65 degrees. So let's take a look. We have one pair of jeans, so I need one pant, one short sleeve shirt, one long sleeve wool t-shirt. We also have one jumper. This is also cashmere, keep me a little warm. I don't need a thick sweater this time around. One waterproof jacket, since there might be a little bit of a mist going on. 3 socks, 2 undergarment tops, 2 undergarment bottoms, pajamas, just one pair, and we've got, of course, our toiletry case, my very handy, trusty toiletry case. I definitely have a video on my toiletry case, so if you want to check that out later. My makeup bag, and a pair of shoes. That's all I have for 2 nights, 3 days in Portland. And let's pack this up, shall we? So I usually would use packing cubes, but because it's just such few clothing this time, I thought, you know what, I'll just put it in. It's plenty of space, too much space. So I think between the 3 of us, me, my husband Kyle, and my toddler Willow, we're all gonna be able to fit our clothes in this carry-on suitcase, just to bring it easy, nice and easy. We don't need clothes for that many days. We don't need that many essentials. So we're probably, all 3 of us are gonna pack in the same suitcase. And one of those family packing videos I'm sure will be in our near future for the channel. So for now, let's focus on what I'm bringing. We've got a pair of jeans right over here. Let's put in our pajamas in this nice little space. Our short sleeve t-shirt, long sleeve with our jumper on top. I really like to use up every little bit of space that I have. Usually these would go in a plastic bag, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna put them in there for now. I don't like things dirty. And then we've got our undies right over here, socks, our waterproof jacket, and of course, toiletry case and makeup bag. Goes right on top. Let's zip it up. And if I want to use packing cubes, it would probably be even more compact. We can definitely do that, but that's just one side. Without packing cubes, that means that I can compress it even further. So we will definitely all be able to pack in one suitcase. As always, thank you so much, explorers, for joining me on this unboxing review video. Thank you so much for the sponsor, Level 8, for this amazing hard shell luggage in the carry-on size 20-inch. If you are interested in seeing more of the Level 8 products, please make sure to go down to the description below and check out the links. I'll be sure to post all the links and mention the name of the series for the Luminous luggage as well. Hope to see you soon at our next packing series video. Until next time, bye-bye, explorers.